Amigos, hoy es viernes y toca ir a San Luis Potosí, como siempre. A mí se me hace tarde, así es que vamos a ver qué tal se pone esto. Aquí, amigos, ya acabamos el recorrido guiado aquí en los jardines surrealistas de Jardin. Es un lugar increíble. Les presento a Charis.
Hola, ¿qué tal, amigos?
Hola, Charis. ¿Qué te pareció el recorrido?
Está padrísimo, fantástico, genial, muy recomendado. Si pueden, vengan. Créanme que van a quedar muy sorprendidos.
Así es, ya escucharon a Charis. Así es. Les voy a dejar unas tomas de cómo es el lugar, cómo es el recorrido, cómo son las cosas y toda la gente que viene. Así es que vamos a ver.
Guess who's back again? Oh, they don't know, oh, they don't know. I bet they know as soon as we walk in. Shut up, I'm wearing Cuban links, yeah, Santa mix, yeah, Inglewood's finest shoes. Don't look too hard, might hurt yourself. Known to keep the color red, the blues. Shit, I'm a dangerous man with some money in my pocket. Keep up. So many pretty girls around me and they're waking up the rocket. Keep up. Why you mad? Fix your face. Ain't my fault they all be jacking. Keep up. Players only, come on, put your pinky rings up to the moon. God, what y'all trying to do? 24 karat magic in the air. Hit the toe so big. Look out. Second verse for the hustlers, gangsters, bitches and your ugly ass friends. I cannot preach, I gotta show them how I get it in. First, take your sister, do your dip, spend your money like money ain't shit. Oh, we too fresh. Got to bring their own Jesus. Hashtag blessed. They ain't ready for me. I'm a dangerous man with some money in my pocket. Keep up. So many pretty girls around me and they're waking up the rocket. Keep up. Why you mad? Fix your face. Ain't my fault they all be jocking. Keep up. Players only. Come on, put your pinky rings up to the moon. What y'all trying to do? What y'all trying to do? 24 karat magic in the air. Hit the toe so clear. Look out. Everywhere I go, they be like, oh, so clear. Everywhere I go, they be like, oh, so clear. Everywhere I go, they be like, oh, so clear. Now break it down like, 24 karat, 24 karat magic. What's that sound? Come on now. 24 karat, 24 karat magic. Don't fight the feeling, invite the feeling. Just put your pinky rings up to the moon. God, what y'all trying to do? Tell me what you're trying to do. 24 karat magic in the air. Hit the toe so clear.
Amigos, ya estamos en el hotel, ya recorrimos lo que es Xilitla, ya recorrimos lo que es el jardín surrealista de Jardin, que está muy recomendable. Mañana vamos a ir a lo que es el sótano de las Golondrinas y lo que es las cascadas de Tamul. El lugar está chido, tiene alberca, tiene área para hacer ejercicio, ofrece lo que es comida y desayuno buffet, cena a la carta y también demasiado económico y muy bueno.
Girl, I'll be a flico, mamacita. I would never make a promise that I can't keep. I promise that your smile ain't gonna never leave. Shopping sprees in Paris, every day 24 carats. Take a look in that mirror, now tell me who's the fairest. Is it you? Is it you? Is it me? You say it's us, and I'll agree, babe. Jump in the Cadillac, girls, put some miles on it. Anything you want, just to put a smile on it. You deserve it, baby, you deserve it all. And I'm gonna give it to you. Gold jewelry, diamonds so bright. Strawberry champagne on us. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Sex by the fire at night. Silk sheets and diamond always. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Pop it for me.
¿Falta mucho? Gracias. Vamos corriendo al sótano de las golondrinas.
Girl, come and get it. All this is here for you. Tell me, baby, baby, what you gonna do? Gold jewelry shining bright. Strawberry champagne on us. That's what I like. That's what I like. That's what I like. That's what I like. Sex by the fire at night. Diamond on us. That's what I like. That's what I like.
Ahí me quita.